Good morning, lifestyle lovers. Welcome back to ItsELifeStyle. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Erica. My channel is called ItsELifeStyle. And you guys already know it's about creating a good lifestyle. I need to get my lifestyle together because I am in Atlanta on a business trip and I'm running late. I was supposed to meet my colleague downstairs at 6:15. And guess what time? I got up 6:10. And I set my alarm clock, but I didn't save it. I set it to wake up at 5:15. And when I was looking at my phone to see why it didn't go off, I did not save the alarm for 5:15. But I'm still gonna be somewhat on time. I'm waiting on my Uber. I just told her to go ahead and leave me because I was not ready. I couldn't get ready in 5 minutes. I can get ready in 30 minutes, but not 5 minutes. So I'm headed to like a training class for new employees, and me and my colleague, we have to give like what's an entire presentation, but our part is training the new managers on the systems they will be using as far as discipline is concerned when they observe rule violations. So looks like that's my Uber. I have on like a black blazer. I'm doing my body contour express, and then my shoes are DSW Valentino inspired shoes. So here's my Uber. I think that's it. Hey, Erica.
Erica?
Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you? Good. Okay, lifestyle lovers. I'll check back in with you later. Hey, lifestyle lovers. Oh my goodness. I'm so tired. I'm just getting back to the hotel from my training class, and it's like 6:30. That Atlanta traffic ain't no damn joke. I'm ready to get my ass back to Duval, but it's been a long day. I'm so tired. So tonight I think we're gonna do dinner and the spa. You know what, I was getting ready to take my shoes off, but I'm gonna give you guys like a full look of my outfit before I take my shoes off. I think you guys have seen this outfit before, but if you are wondering why I changed my hair, because I think like on the last vlog I had like a long balayage unit, but it was just so hot and it was hard for me to kind of like blend my leave out, having to flat iron it and curl it every morning. I need something that was going to be easy and quick, so I just put my curly unit back on, which I actually love this unit. I'm going to get another one in some color because I want it in some color, but it's so easy. All I have to do is wet it, add some mousse to it, and just add like some mousse to my leave out, and that's it. This is so easy and so simple, but I did not want to be trying to curl my hair and deal with my hair while I was out of town, so that's why I changed it. So I'm gonna have to actually change it back to finish the video. But let me see, the lighting is so horrible. Can you guys even see? I don't even think you're gonna be able to see me. And you're not. So this is pretty much, let me move this out of the way. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so this is pretty much what I wore to my training class, and I think you guys have seen this outfit before. It's the Express Body Contour Collection. I did the skirt and the top, and I just paired it with a brown blazer, and then these are the shoes that I wore. So this was pretty much my entire look. I toted my Teddy Blake work bag. I didn't even tote a purse. I didn't even take a purse today because I knew I was not going to need a whole lot of stuff other than like my work laptop. So I just took my Teddy Blake work bag. I've had this bag for probably about 3 months now, and I have raved about this bag. I absolutely love this bag, lifestyle lovers. It just looks so chic and so business and so bossed up. It's made out of Italian leather, and the inside is made out of suede. So I'm gonna show you guys everything that I have in the bag. So I just had my wallet, which they provided lunch, so I didn't need my wallet. I have my work laptop in the bag, and also I have some folders with all of, you know, like the notes for my presentation. What else? Got my little compact makeup. Got some lotion. What else? I got my mouse, my wireless mouse. I have a charger for my work laptop. I got my AirPods, my earpods, whatever they call. And then I just got like a little notebook, like I like to jot notes down in. And that's pretty much it. But the inside, look at the inside, lifestyle lovers. It's made of like a suede material, and just the leather is Italian leather. I just love this bag. I love this bag. And Teddy Blake is actually having a sale for the 4th of July. So you can save up to 75% on their handbags or their work bags. This is the Ava in the 14-inch, and I did the gold hardware. So I would recommend this one, because as you can see, it just elevates a work outfit. And I pretty much was like this. You guys see how much stuff I can get in this bag. So I would definitely recommend this bag. So I'll put all the details of the particular bag that I have in the description box. But check out Teddy Blake's 4th of July sale and get you a work bag, honey. So tonight we're gonna go to the spa. We're gonna do, it's like a 24-hour spa. It's called Jeju Spa. I think that's what it's called. So I don't know if I'm probably going to be doing a lot of vlogging tonight, because I just want to enjoy the spa. And then we're going to go somewhere and have dinner tonight, and then we'll be headed home in the morning. But everything went well today. My presentation went really good. My portion of the presentation, I gave a presentation along with another colleague. The only thing that I probably wish I would have done that I didn't do was, I was given a PowerPoint by my director, and he pretty much told me to use that PowerPoint. But I think I probably should have created my own PowerPoint, because I was kind of like fumbling through it because I didn't create it. So I think, you know, if I ever have the opportunity to do this again, which I'm quite sure I will, I'm gonna just create my own PowerPoint, because I think it would have flowed a lot better. But other than that, I think I did like a good job. So I just believe my purpose, lifestyle lovers, is just to share information. I believe that's what my purpose here on YouTube. I want to incorporate that in my job. You know, I just want to be able to share knowledge. I want to have something that I know very well, that I'm an expert on, and I want to share it. So I hope and I pray that I can get a role in my everyday corporate job where I'm sharing information, kind of like I did today. But I'm just gonna wind down. My friend, he went to the bar to get some Prosecco and get me a salad, so I can just eat something before we have dinner tonight, because it is going to be for a couple of hours. And I'll check back in with you guys before we leave for the spa. So yeah, so I'll check back in with you guys a little later. I'm gonna just kind of wind down and get prepared for the spa tonight.
Just be. Don't take it. Just don't be. take it personal. I ain't lying, I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't deal and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations. Please and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me, yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life.
Okay, lifestyle lovers, so we finally made it back to Duval County. Just take my Beats headphones. Oh shoot, let me turn that on. I'm so tired, y'all. I'm so damn tired. I went to Starbucks, got me a coffee, and got some breakfast. Where's my breakfast? Which is halfway gone. I got the bacon gouda and egg sandwich and coffee, which I drank the 5-pump white mocha made with oat milk and whipped cream. And today is a work day for me, so I got to log on and try to do some work. I think what I'm gonna try to do is like just prioritize my work, because I need to get some rest. I'm tired. it was a good trip. We went to Jeju Spa last night, and I got like a hip bath, which is pretty much like a vagina steam, and I enjoyed it so much. It felt so good. That was my first time getting a vagina steam, but it's good for a lot of different things. You guys have to do your research on it, but I enjoyed it. You know, they had the different saunas. I didn't do a lot of recording because I was just trying to soak up the moment. My friend, he didn't enjoy it as much because some of the areas, it was pretty much no clothes, which was like the locker rooms, some of the saunas, and then they had, you know, girl and guy locker rooms. So, you know, some men don't be with walking around other men with no clothes on. But they did have a common area, which is where we sat down and we ate at, and where the saunas was. They had, like, you could get like a foot massage, which was like an hour. So we decided not to do that because it was already late. But they had a nail salon. It was really nice. I think I would probably get a better experience if I go back with my girlfriends opposed to a guy friend. But you know, nevertheless, I enjoyed it. So yeah, I'm back home, back to my kitchen. So the kitchen renovations will resume in a couple of weeks, because I'll be traveling in a couple of weeks. My friend, I asked my friend to come along on a business trip with me because I get anxiety when I travel. Well, I used to. I'm not getting it as much anymore, because basically if you get anxiety when you travel, the best way to alleviate that is to travel more, which I've been doing, not even unintentionally, because the last few trips that I've been taking have been like business trips that I have been having to take for the job. So I don't even get the anxiety that I used to get when, you know, when I travel. So I got to unpack that suitcase and pretty much pack another one, because I'll be going on my girls trip soon, which I'm looking forward to. This is 4th of July weekend coming up when you guys are watching this. So we were planning to go to New Orleans for the Essence Festival, but decided not to. So we actually are going to a show. Me and my friend were going to see Maze and Frankie Beverly on Saturday. So I got a pretty busy weekend scheduled again. It's just like it don't stop. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and close the vlog out here, because it's about to get real watered down because I'm tired. And I am gonna get on, you know, log on and prioritize some work. I do have to go into the office tomorrow and Friday, and I'll probably go, you know, get my hair did. I just did this because it's easy and it's just less maintenance, and it's not as hot as, you know, hair down my back or whatever. But I gotta get it did for the show, baby. So yeah, lifestyle lovers, that's it for this vlog. I don't know how long it's gonna be. It may be a short vlog. I don't know. I won't know until I you know, start editing the footage. But I don't think I did a whole lot in this vlog, but I still hope you enjoyed it nevertheless. But I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. Not sure when I'm gonna pick the camera back up, because I need to compress. But I hope you guys have a great week, a great weekend whenever you're watching this. I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.